Some vehicles grab attention the moment you see them. Big screens, bold styling, impressive features. But for most American families, the real question isn't how a vehicle looks on day one, it's how it feels to own 5 years later. The three-row SUV market has exploded across the United States. Families want space, comfort, safety, and something that won't quietly drain their finances over time. Yet many buyers still focus on the sticker price or the monthly payment. What often gets ignored is maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and long-term reliability. Today, we're looking at 7 three-row SUVs in 2026 that don't always get the spotlight, but quietly deliver real ownership value. These aren't hype vehicles, they're long-term decisions. Let's start with the Subaru Ascent. The Subaru Ascent appeals to families who prioritize safety and dependability. Standard all-wheel drive, strong crash test ratings, and a practical interior make it a solid everyday vehicle. Over time, ownership costs remain predictable. Routine maintenance stays straightforward. Oil changes, brake service, and suspension wear typically fall within expected ranges. Insurance premiums tend to be lower than many competitors, largely due to safety ratings in Subaru's reliability reputation. Depreciation is also steady. The Ascent doesn't lose value rapidly, which helps long-term owners retain equity. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, and that consistency often saves owners thousands over the life of the vehicle. Next is the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid combines efficiency with family practicality. Fuel savings are noticeable, especially for commuters and long-distance drivers. Toyota's hybrid systems have proven reliable over many years. Routine maintenance remains simple, and hybrid components are designed for longevity. Insurance costs are slightly higher than non-hybrid models, but still reasonable for the segment. Depreciation is slower than many mid-size SUVs. Highlander hybrids tend to hold value well, making them a strong long-term investment. This is an SUV that rewards patience and long-term ownership. Now let's talk about the Kia Sorento Hybrid. The Sorento Hybrid often flies under the radar, but for value-focused buyers, it deserves serious attention. Kia's extended warranty covers critical components, reducing repair anxiety in the early years. Maintenance costs remain manageable, and fuel efficiency helps offset ownership expenses. Insurance rates are competitive, and depreciation is moderate. It may not have the strongest resale value in its class, but long-term owners benefit from predictable costs and modern technology. For families who plan to keep their SUV, the Sorento Hybrid quietly delivers value. Next is the Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse stands out for one major reason: space. It offers one of the largest interiors in the segment, making it ideal for larger families or frequent road trips. Maintenance is generally straightforward early on, but costs can rise after warranty expiration. Suspension components, electronics, and drivetrain maintenance may require attention as mileage increases. Insurance rates are moderate, reflecting the vehicle's size and safety features. Depreciation is noticeable but not extreme. The Traverse works best for families who value room and flexibility and are prepared for slightly higher long-term maintenance. Now let's look at the Honda Pilot. The Pilot has built its reputation on reliability and comfort. It's one of the most consistent three-row SUVs available. Maintenance remains predictable, with few major surprises reported by long-term owners. Insurance premiums stay reasonable, thanks to strong safety ratings. Depreciation is moderate, and resale values remain steady compared to competitors. For families who want a no-nonsense SUV with balanced ownership costs, the Pilot continues to be a safe choice. Next is the Hyundai Palisade. The Palisade offers a premium experience without luxury brand ownership stress. Interior quality, ride comfort, and technology feel upscale, but long-term costs remain reasonable. Hyundai's warranty coverage reduces early repair concerns, and maintenance stays manageable. Insurance rates are slightly higher due to vehicle size and features, but remain competitive within the segment.
depreciation is slower than many American rivals, making it appealing to long-term owners. It's a strong option for families who want comfort without unexpected ownership shocks. Finally, the Ford Explorer Hybrid. The Explorer Hybrid blends modern technology, efficiency, and family practicality. Fuel savings help offset ownership costs, especially for city driving. Maintenance remains predictable in early years, though advanced electronics and suspension components may require attention later in ownership. Insurance premiums tend to be higher than average, reflecting technology and repair costs. Depreciation is moderate, making this a better choice for owners planning to keep it long-term. Across all 7 of these SUVs, clear patterns emerge. Hybrid models offer fuel savings but may carry slightly higher insurance. Japanese brands tend to deliver predictable maintenance and steady resale value. Warranty coverage plays a major role in reducing early ownership stress. And most importantly, true affordability is determined over years, not months. Before choosing a 3-row SUV, look beyond the payment. Consider maintenance, insurance, depreciation, and reliability after the warranty ends, because once the excitement fades, ownership is what really matters. Which of these SUVs surprised you the most, and which one would you trust for your family? Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to DriveSense for honest, practical, ownership-focused insights built for American drivers.